कायद ऐवान मुखनिना मजलिस पार्टी अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी ने 4% मुस्लिम तहफुजात की फराहमी का क्रेडिट लेने रेवंत रेड्डी के बयान पर जवाब देते हुए कहा कि 4% तहफुजात के वक्त वो कांग्रेस में नहीं थे और तहफुजात की फराहमी वायएस राजशेखर रेड्डी, मजलिस इत्तेहादुल मुस्लिमीन और मोहम्मद अली शब्बीर की काविशें थीं और उस वक्त के सदर मजलिस सुल्तान सलाउद्दीन ओवैसी ने वायएसआर को तजवीज़ पेश की थी।
Sir, it was Rajshekar Reddy, sir. Sir, I would like to correct the record, sir. Sir, it was Rajshekar Reddy, MIM and Congress both together were successful in getting the 4% reservation, sir. One cannot take this credit. We cannot forget Rajshekar Reddy, sir. And Rajshekar Reddy was a true gentleman, sir. Because of his nature, we were together, sir. And at that time, leaders from Delhi, sir, again, I do not want to mention the name, they came and met my late father at my father's residence. My father told, include in your manifesto about reservation to Muslims. Then MIM will come together with you and we will work. Rajshekar Reddy Saab included that in the Congress manifesto in United Andhra Pradesh. After that, together, Rajshekar Reddy and myself, we struggled, sir. We fought for it, and also Muhammad Ali Shabbir was also part of it, sir. So we together got the 4%. Do not say that it is only Congress who got 4%. This is unfair. We were also part of it.